Hi guys, I'm David and thank you so much for joining Levi's review. Lately I was looking for a computer speakers and I remember that I already have great speakers of Pioneer. They are small enough to sit on my desk and they have high quality sound. But the only problem, they are i5 speakers. It means they don't have the 3.5 jack and I cannot connect them directly to anything. And I believe that you have the same problem, that you have a good speakers but you cannot connect them to your devices. Of course, I don't want to spend more money on amplifiers than a computer speakers. And I was a little bit worried because I remember how expensive was my Pioneer amplifier and I don't need something so powerful for my computer. After some research, I found that mini amplifier is a great solution. So I started looking for a mini amplifier and immediately the name Lepite it's pop up and I found many great reviews on the Lepite LP2020A. Also the price is very affordable. The price range is between 25 to 30 bucks. Of course, I bought the Lepite LP2020A and separately every cable that we need to connect your speakers to any device, like your computer, smartphone and so on. Don't worry about all the parts because I put link down below to everything that we need to connect it. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing and see how it looks like. I'm really impressed from the Lepite amplifier. Everything feels very nice quality. So let's connect everything and check the sound quality. For the installation we need two speakers cable, one for each speaker. Let's take off some of the plastic of the cable. You can use the knife, or if you have a dedicated tools, it will be much easier. And now let's connect the cables. Let's start with the speakers. One cable to the red and one cable to the black. And exactly the same in the amplifier. One cable to the red and one cable to the black. And repeat the process in the second speaker. And now let's connect the RCA cables. The red to the red and the white to the white. And of course let's connect the 3.5 jack. And lastly let's connect the power. Okay, let's play some music and check the sound quality. But guys, don't forget, I'm recording from external mic, so it's never be the same sound quality. Okay, let's power on. Play some music. I'm really impressed and love this product. It's amazing quality for this price range. The amplifier provides high quality sound. If you connect good speakers, you will get much better sound experience rather than using a standard computer speakers. The amplifier provides you with volume, bass, treble and tone buttons, and that allows you to adjust the sound according to your preferences. But if you are not sure how to adjust it, I recommend to keep the tone button pressed and put the treble and the bass in the middle. And then just play and enjoy from the music. You can connect the LePi to the wall or your table, and that keep your environment clean and organized. LePi designed beautifully and can fit for everyone. Also, it's a beautiful LED color around the volume button, which make it even cooler. And the last feature is my favorite. The headphones connection is not depends on the volume of the amplifier. You can control your headphones volume separately. Even if the amplifier is off, you still hear the music from your headphones. So you don't need to unplug and plug the headphones. You can keep it connected all the time. But the only small cons I can say about the LePi LP2020A that they have no headphones volume controller. So even if the LePi is off, you still hear the music from the headphones. Of course, you can control the volume from your computer, or if your headphones support volume control. Guys, if you like this video and received the value, please click the like button, and if you want to see more reviews like this one, subscribe to our channel. If you have any question or comment, let me know in the comments down below. I wish you a beautiful day, and of course, I will see you in the next video.